Thanks to Parent Team, I'm learning more about parenting wellness and children's nutrition. Do you know good kiddie nutrition is not simply about filling up our kids' diet with generous amounts of the different macronutrients? What's important is to provide them not just the right quality but also the right quantity of food. It's always a matter of having the right balance of nutrients. Bilang magulang, it's important that we keep in mind that good nutrition affects their lifelong health. Share ko sa inyo ang isa sa favorite lunch ni Twinkle: rice, chicken tinola, mango, and dragon fruit. Favorite niya lahat ng nandyan sa plate. By giving our kids the right amount of nutritious food, may iwasan natin na magkaroon sila ng chronic diseases like hypertension and diabetes that will have a negative impact later in their life. Thanks to the Parent Team platform, I am learning to be the best parent that I can be. Parent Team is created by two trusted global nutrition giants, Wyatt Nutrition and Nestle Nutrition. It's a dynamic, purposeful platform that provides invaluable resources on parenting, wellness, and childcare nutrition. Kaya naman, fellow parents,